Hello everybody, it's Katie, model here at Ideal World, and I'm back today to give you my 3 top tips to keep you looking stylish through autumn and winter. As we all know, the weather's changing now, so I'm going to be showing you my 3 favourite coats available here at Ideal World to keep you looking super stylish. So the first jacket is the amazing Lakeland leather ANILINE RYDAL jacket. It's so gorgeous, super soft, it's that really sublime chestnut brown leather. Loving the faux fur hood that's actually detachable, so you've got 2 looks for the price of 1 here. You've got the most amazing quilted lining. It's such a luxurious jacket and it's a real investment piece because this is going to last you year after year after year. So next up is another beautiful style from Lakeland leather, this time called the TIRRIL. I'm loving this one because it's that little bit shorter in length, but it's got an amazing little belt to really nip you in at the waist if you want it to. I'm loving the faux fur detachable trim because obviously you're getting 2 different looks here also. You've got that lovely quilted lining which keeps it really luxurious, and that cream colour is going to work really well with your navies and your denims. So my final pick is the gorgeous Style by Puffer jacket. I'm loving this one because it's slightly longer in length, so it's going to keep you really toasty and warm. It's got a gorgeous chevron quilted kind of stitching detail, which makes it super flattering also. It's a lovely khaki colour, so really practical, really versatile, and this is going to keep you warm and toasty all throughout the seasons. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my 3 top jackets to keep you warm this autumn-winter season. If you've enjoyed this content, click subscribe below.